Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. KSEEB has released Science MCQ Model Question Paper 2. In this video, we will see the key answers for Science Model Paper 2. These questions are very important. You can expect similar questions for your exam. Make a note of all these questions and read textbook and find out few similar questions from the same units. Now moving to first question, a safety device used to protect electric circuit and electric appliances is. The correct answer is option B, fuse. Now moving to next question. The position of the image obtained by a convex lens when an object is kept between f1 and 2f1 is. The image formed will be beyond 2f1. Do check out the textbook from the unit Light, Reflection and Refraction. Next question. The power plant that does not use turbine to generate electricity is. The correct answer is solar power plant does not require any turbine to generate electricity. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Next question. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected in series. When the resistance are connected in series, the total resistance R equals R1 plus R2 in series to a 6 volt battery as shown in the figure. Then total current through the circuit is. Students, the total resistance is R1 plus R2, that is 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24. The total resistance of the circuit is 24 ohms. Now using Ohm's law, we can easily find out the current. V equals IR. Therefore, I equals what? V divided by R. What is the voltage? The voltage is 6 volts. Now, by using Ohm's law, V equals IR. I equals V divided by R. You can check 4 ohm conductor and 20 ohm bulb is in series. Therefore, the total resistance is 24 ohm. I equals, we need to find out by using Ohm's law, V equals I into R. Now, I equals what? V divided by R. What is the voltage? Voltage is 6. What is the total resistance? Total resistance is 24. Therefore, I equals 6 divided by 24. We get 6 divided by 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Therefore, 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 ampere. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 0.25 ampere. The current flowing through the circuit is 0.25 ampere. Now moving to next question. In Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of electric current induced in a conductor. Middle finger indicates electric current induced in a conductor. Next question. Observe the following table. Material medium and refractive index. Material medium P has refractive index 1.52, Q has 1.44 and R has 2.42, S has 1.33, in which material medium speed of light is very high. We know that refractive index equals C divided by V, where N is refractive index, V is the speed of light in medium. If refractive index increases, speed of light in medium decreases. In the same way, refractive index decreases, speed of light in medium increases. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, S, because the refractive index is low, hence the speed of light will be very high. Therefore, the correct answer is material medium, yes, will have high speed of light. Next question, a rectangular coil of copper wire is rotated in a magnetic field. The direction of induced current changes once in each half revolution. The direction of induced current changes once in half rotation. Next question, the major component of biogas is, the major component of biogas is option B, methane. The major component of biogas is methane. Now, one of the properties of concave lens is thinner at the middle, thicker at the edges, therefore they diverge the light rays. Therefore, the one of the properties of concave lens is they diverge the light rays. The other options are incorrect. That means they are not the properties of concave lens. Therefore, the correct answer is they diverge the light rays. The correct answer is option A, diverges the light rays. Now, moving to next question. An electric bulb is connected to a 220 volts generator. If the current flowing in the bulb is 0.05 ampere, then the power of the bulb is, power of an electric appliance is given by P equals V into I. Therefore, the voltage given is 220 volts, substitute, and the current is 0.5 ampere. Therefore, 220 into 0.5, we get 110. That is 220 divided by 2, we get 110 watts. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 110 watts. Simple problem from the unit electricity. Now moving to next question. The function of ammeter in an electric circuit is, the function of ammeter is to measure the electric current. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, measures the rate of electric current. Now moving to next question. As electrical resistivity of a substance increases, we know that R equals rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity. Now you can see that when resistance is directly proportional to resistivity, if resistivity increases, the resistance of the circuit will increase. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, resistance increases, because they are directly proportional to each other. The correct answer is resistance increases. Now, next question. The phenomenon of bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another. When light rays travels from one medium to another medium, they bend. This phenomena is called as refraction of light, bending of light. When it passes from one medium to another medium, it is called as refraction of light. When it bounces back to same medium, we call that as reflection of light. The question is bending. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, refraction of light. Now, moving to next question. Which of the following is not a property of magnetic lines? The correct answer is option C, magnetic field lines intersect each other. It is an incorrect statement according to property of magnetic field lines. Now, when a copper is exposed to air for a long time, it acquires a green coat because it reacts with moist carbon dioxide. When copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide, it forms a green coat. Correct answer is option D. Now moving to next question. The number of single bonds and double bonds present in structure of benzene molecule is. Students, I will be writing the structure of benzene. Do observe the number of single bond and double bond. There will be alternate double bond in benzene structure, and Now count the number of single bond. We have 9 single bonds and 3 double bonds. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 9 and 3. The correct answer is option B, 9 and 3. In benzene molecule, we have 9 single bonds and 3 double bonds. Now moving to next question. The gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid is. The answer is option D, carbon dioxide. The common molecular formula for both cyclopropane and propene is. The common formula for cyclopropane and cyclopropene is. Now I will write the structure of cyclopropane. You can see that there are 3 carbon atoms, that is C3. Number of hydrogen atoms will be 6. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, C3H6. Observe the structure of propene. Propene will have a single double bond. Therefore, it has 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, C3H6 is the molecular formula for both cyclopropane and propene. Now, moving to next question. The substance that changes color of red litmus paper to blue. Base changes red litmus paper to blue color. Therefore, the base among the following is sodium hydroxide solution. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, sodium hydroxide solution. Next question. The amphoteric oxides among the following is. This has been repeated question. The answer is zinc oxide. Now, next question. An alloy that made up of copper and tin is. The alloy that made up of copper and tin is bronze. The correct answer is option C, bronze. Next question. When a carbon dioxide reacts with a calcium hydroxide, salt and water are formed or produced, then the nature of carbon dioxide is. This is an example for neutralization reaction. Calcium hydroxide is a base because it contains OH ions, hydroxide. Therefore, the carbon dioxide will have acidic nature. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, acidic. Now, moving to next question. The 3 elements were written in the order of increasing atomic mass. The atomic mass of middle element are roughly the average atomic mass of 2 other elements. This law was stated by Daubernier. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Next question. Carbon has a unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. This unique property of carbon is called as catenation. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, catenation. Next question. The group of compounds which are in homologous series. In homologous series, the successive members differ by 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom. Therefore, in all the 4 options, option A, the successive members differ by CH2. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, CH4, C2H6, C3H8. Now, next question. The number of periods and groups in modern periodic table are. There are 7 periods and 18 groups. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Next question. The main function of abscisic acid hormone in plants is to inhibit the growth of plants. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, inhibits the growth of plants. Next question. A common part among the following that is found in reproductive system of both in flowering plants and humans is. In both flowering plant and humans, we have a common part called as ovary. The correct answer is option C, ovary. Next question. Which of the following is an inherited? Inherited means the character is transferred from parents to the offspring. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, type of earlobe. Next question. The blood vessels that carry blood from all the parts of the human body to the heart are. The correct answer is veins. Veins carry blood from all the parts of the human body to the heart. Next question. The plant can get rid of excess of water by this process. Simple and repeated question. The correct answer is option B, transpiration. The correct path of urine flow in human excretory system is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Check the diagram of human excretory system. Next question, which of the following is the biodiversity hotspot? Forests are example for biodiversity hotspot. Now, moving to next question, the growth of pollen tubes towards ovules in the flower of plants is an example for chemotrophism. Because of chemicals, the movement will occur. Now, next question, a group that contains only biodegradable substance among the following is. The correct answer is option C, wood, grass and leather. All these three are biodegradable substances. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, wood, grass and leather. Next question, the part of human brain that controls involuntary actions like salivation and blood pressure is. The correct answer is option B, medulla controls involuntary actions like salivation and blood pressure. Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? The part which is not a part of human reproductive system, female reproductive system is vas deferens. Next question, the main purpose of constructing water harvesting structures is to use the water for irrigation. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, use water for irrigation. Next question, a pew tall pea plant TT is crossed with short pea plant small t. The ratio of pew tall pea plant to the short pea plant produced in F2 generation is 3:1. 3 tall plants will be produced with 1 short pea plant. Therefore, the correct answer is 3:1. Now moving to next question. The wings of bat and pigeon are examples of analogous organs. The wings of bat and pigeon are examples of analogous organs. Students, hopefully these videos are helpful to you. Do read out similar questions. I'll be uploading unit-wise questions. Do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Best wishes for your exam. Be confident and read the textbook. You can score good marks in your exam.